Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your archived stories from Instagram. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe down below. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to tap on the three lines that we see right here and we're going to select archive. So that's going to be right under how to use Instagram. Now right here, you're going to see all your stories archived. In case you're not seeing them, it's because you maybe selected your post. So make sure that you are selecting the right one right here at the top. In this case, we want to see our stories. So for example, this was a story that I shared on this profile on September 12th of 2025. And that's how simple you can see the stories that you have shared in the past. You can even see them as a calendar. It will also show you all the stories that you have archived from different dates. And that's it. I hope this video helped you.